Hi everyone. Everyone. Hello, dedicated 4 friends of mine that are on here and are watching. So thank you very much for watching the first few seconds. I've just been listening to Russell Brunson's latest book, his old book actually, Expert Secrets, and he's telling me quite categorically that I have to post every day. So apologies world, but I am going to be posting every day, which is going to be interesting because one, I don't generally tend to stick at anything for too long because I get bored because my brain just flits off in different directions. And the main thing also is that I've got a beautiful family and jobs, and my wife's got jobs, and it's just hard to find the time to do anything really. Even going to the toilet by myself is a struggle these days because I've got kids coming in or dogs coming in. So yeah, so I'm putting it out there now because I need to be held to account with all of this. I've got this crazy 5-year plan, which I've now decided that today it starts. I will post again about what the hell I'm talking about. And well, this is it. This is it. Well, this is the start of posting every day. And yeah, little Felix is eating his crisps. Do you want to say hello? Hello. Yeah, it's always good to start off with kids. And I know they always say don't put your kids on social media. Well, I've done it. So sorry. I've just got this bucket, I'm doing it attitude, not the bucket list, because that's a bit old hat now, isn't it really? And then why would you put the best things in your life you ever want to do in a bucket? I mean, it could be a very brand new nice bucket, but an ice bucket, perhaps an ice bucket. You don't want a nice one, you want an ice bucket, like a champagne ice bucket. That I could sort of understand, although it's just going to get a bit wet and melted, isn't it, by the end? So no, I'm not doing a bucket challenge or a bucket challenge. I'm waffling now. I'm not doing a bucket list. I've got a bucket list. Try not to swear, because things that have gone off in my life recently, the last few years, have been quite testing and hell, quite frankly. And I just thought, fuck it, I'm doing it. I'm 50 in a couple of years' time, and I'm not going to get to 50 and look back and think, oh, I should have done that, should have done this. I haven't changed my life significantly. So putting it out there, 5-year plan starts today. Blogging or vlogging or what the hell you call it, just talking to camera and acting like a lunatic, starts today. And I'm just trying to, but I tend to just let go of the how and the when. I know where I want to head in life. I know, and I know perhaps the universe has got bigger plans or different plans for me. That's fine. I'm slowly getting my head around all these curveballs it keeps throwing in my way at the moment. And it just starts today. So yay! It starts today. Have a lovely, blessed day, everyone. And see you later. Bye.